Why is Pakistan's national anthem in Persian when the official languages are Urdu and English? Listen to this. Out of 50 words, only one is purely Urdu. The rest, Persian. And the reason goes back 1,000 years. It goes back to the Ghaznavid Empire in the 11th century, based in Ghazni in modern-day Afghanistan. Sultan Mahmud of Ghazni was the first to introduce Persian into the Indian subcontinent. And Urdu comes from the Turkic word Urdu, meaning army camp. By the 18th century, it was called Zaban Urdu Mualla, the language of the exalted camp. It was born when Turkic soldiers, Persian administrators and local Indians started mixing in Delhi around the 12th and 13th centuries. Poets like Amir Khusrau, Ghalib and Pakistan's national poet, Iqbal, moved between Persian and early Hindustani with ease. Fast forward to 1947, Pakistan is a new country. Its leaders need an anthem. But what language do you write it in? Well, the obvious answer is Urdu. It's the national language. But here's the thing. Pure Urdu shares 70% of its everyday vocabulary with Hindi. If you write the anthem in plain Urdu, it sounds Indian. So what do? Well, you reach for Persian, the language of Muslim political glory. Pakistan took 7 years to pick a national anthem. The process began in 1948 when a Muslim businessman from South Africa named A.R. Ghani offered a 5,000 rupee prize for the best lyrics and music. The government publicized the competition and in December 1948 formally set up the National Anthem Committee. The winner was Hafiz Jalandhari, selected from 723 submissions. Jalandhari wasn't just any poet. His teacher was Ghulam Qadir Garami, a Persian poet, and Jalandhari was steeped in Persian literary tradition. But then in the 1980s, General Zia-ul-Haq launched an Arabization campaign. He wanted Pakistan to sound more Arab, more Islamic, and he replaced words like Khuda Hafiz, God protects you in Persian, with Allah Hafiz in Arabic. But he never touched the anthem. Why? Because the anthem's Persian isn't just language. It's a claim to a civilization that stretched from Istanbul to Delhi, a claim that Pakistan isn't just a new country, it's the inheritor of a 1,000-year-old empire.